guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video because I have my October subscription boxes and we are going to unbox them together. My glam bag and my Boxycharm have arrived, so we are going to dive in and see what they are. And I can't remember the ones that I chose. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in Boxycharm and Glam Bag this month, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we are going to start out with my glam bag. Now, because I'm overseas and they are mailing to a military address, there's literally stickers on both sides with my address. So I couldn't even pick up the box and show you if I wanted to. But you guys, I do have my little Ipsy Glam Bag. And that's the first one we're going to start with because it's easier to unpackage and they're usually samples or deluxe samples that they send. So this one is Beauty Nightmares. And then of course there's some details about the products in here. The bag is quite interesting. I feel like I've seen this bag before. It might be similar to last year's where it was a drawstring bag instead of like a zipping bag, but I've seen this design. Do you guys remember this? Am I losing my mind? All right, let's dive in. Okay, so first thing, oh, it's packaged to protect it. This is from Context Skin. It is the matte bronzer in Undisputed. So this is a deluxe sample. Full size retails for $24. This looks like it might be my shade. Interesting. I've never tried Context before. I've honestly never heard of them before. That's part of why I love my glam bag and my Boxycharm. I sometimes get products that I've never heard of the brands. So I get to try those things out and then I find later on down the road that I really like their products and start purchasing more. So we will definitely try this out. We have from Pure Heal by Nature Village, Centella 80 Eye Cream. This is a deluxe sample and the full size retails for $23. This is your go-to for a smooth and youthful looking eye area. It deeply hydrates and helps to firm up your skin without irritation, thanks to the brand's 80% Centella asiatica, helping eyes look brighter and tighter instantly. Okay, I love that, especially because if you've been here, you know that my under eyes are not my favorite part of my skincare routine, just trying to get them to smooth out a little bit. So we will definitely try this out. We have from Fenty Beauty. This is the semi-matte lipstick in MVP. This is a deluxe sample. Full size version is $20. So the original, like the bigger size of this, the component is this size, but then you twist this and it pops up and you can like interchange them. Oh, look at that red. It is luscious. That is beautiful. We have the, okay, from Bobbi Brown, we have the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I really like this. I've used it quite a bit. It's an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. Full size retails for $69 and it looks like all of these are deluxe samples. Okay. I don't know that I need this because I think I already have one with me that I'm already using and I have a bunch of other face products. I might put this in the giveaway box. I know it's not a full-size product, but I do like to send some things to you guys in those giveaways that you might not necessarily pick up or try yourself. So then this gives that opportunity to whoever wins to try it. And I found, because when I first saw that, the first time I ever like received it, I was like, ugh, it might be too greasy or oily for my skin. I love it. It's beautiful underneath my makeup, especially in the winter when my face just needs the moisture. Last item we have from Toy Factory, Mini Oat Bay. What the heck? This is the Oat Bay Oil Makeup Remover. Full size retails for $36. Don't be fooled by its gentleness. This luxurious makeup remover easily wipes away the day's dirt, debris, and full-on glam, even the stubborn waterproof kind. Dual mix of oat milk and oil plus chrysanthemum and hyaluronic acid help calm and hydrate your skin to a pampered glow. Ooh, I love that. I was actually just looking for a new makeup balm or the next replacement because the one I have isn't my favorite, but I wanted to try another or like see what they had available here. So I guess we'll have to try this. It is being combative, it does not want to open. Why is packaging so difficult sometimes? Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really interesting. It kind of looks, it reminds me of like a baby bottle, but then it's a milky color. I know it said it's oat milk, but it's interesting. Okay, so it's just a little dropper. We will definitely have to try this out. So I don't usually total up my glam bags because they are not full size and they are deluxe samples. So the prices that are given to me are not accurate. Okay, you guys, this is pretty hefty. I'm not sure what's in here, but it has some weight to it. So also beauty nightmares. Let's see. There are not details in here, so I'm gonna need my Ipsy app. Okay, you guys, so got the Ipsy app up. We're gonna dive in. I understand now, looking at what's on top, why it's so heavy. All right, so the first product, this one is packaged up and all protected. This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Shroom Highlighter Palette. So it says that I picked this. I do like Lunar Beauty, but I picked this the beginning of the month. It's October 24th right now, so I don't remember what items I picked out myself. Okay, so this retails for $36, and then it has the moon and some other designs on here, but everything's kind of raised up. I do like the packaging from Lunar Beauty. Ooh, okay. This highlighter palette is gorgeous. Kind of reminds me of the shades from one of my ABH palettes. This looks mesmerizing. Look at those. Of course, we need to go ahead and swatch. I'm excited to play around with these. Okay, next we have from Ciate London, Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. This retails for $32. I have mine in the shade 30. So I do like things like this in the winter because my skin just needs the moisture. Even though I'm normally combination oily right through here, I get really dry on the exterior. So having a dewy glow and then setting with a mattifying powder, my skin loves that. So I'm really excited to try this out. Tinted balm with vitamin C, dragon fruit, and grapefruit extract. Interesting. And it's already sealed, so I'm not going to open it up until I have an opportunity to try it on camera with you guys. Okay, so this one is my beauty boost. It's the Murad Resurgence Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. I love that, especially as I'm getting older. 40-year-old skin is not as nice as 20-year-old skin, and all the skincare routine regimens, they're needed. You guys, this retails for $105. Do you see that? Do you see that? It says 105. What? I've talked about it in past videos. I love my subscription boxes because I try products that I would not go and splurge on myself. So what is this supposed to do? Let's see. Specifically formulated encapsulated retinol is tested and proven for 2.5 times enhanced delivery versus regular retinol for higher efficacy. High strength replenishing treatment for face and neck delivers a rehydrated, firmer, and resculpted look while being gentle enough for daily use. All right, we will be trying this out and adding it into the regimen. Okay, so it's just a matte green component. Interesting. Is it an air pump? No. I do like the air pumps because I feel like it doesn't waste as much product as these bottles where you just have to hope and pray you get everything out of it. So next is the Living Proof Full Thickening Blow Dry Cream. Also says that I chose this, and I like Living Proof. I don't use it every day because my hair is mostly slicked back in this fun little bun that I've got going on right now. But when I do get to pull my hair down and blow dry it or curl it, I need the products. So this is for thickness and body, retails for $32, powered by our time-release styling technology. Deliver all-day fullness and thickness. I do have naturally full and thick hair, but as you get older, sometimes your hair doesn't feel the same, so maybe I need this. I'll definitely be trying this out. Okay, you guys, so there's two products in here that I did not choose, and so like one of the products that's supposed to be in here is a eyeshadow palette from Eloise Beauty. It says I picked this, it's not in here. Let me see if I can find all the products because I'm looking at stuff that I did not choose. Ultra hydration, triple hydra. Okay, so one of the products that I have in here is the Tula Skincare 24/7 Ultra Hydration Triple Hydra Complex Day and Night Serum. Retails for $48. Oh yeah, I know why I didn't choose this. It's got oil in it. A targeted day and night hydration serum packed with 3 forms of hyaluronic acid and encapsulated squalene droplets to help flood skin with moisture, leaving it looking smoother, plumper, and more radiant. Maybe they knew something that I didn't, because, so looking at this, it looks like it's oil. I don't know if you can see the little like balls in here. It looks so interesting. Okay, this does have the air pump. I do like it because like this is just gonna push all the product up. And in the winter, I'm gonna need the hydration, but I don't remember this being something that I could choose. Interesting. Use daily AM and PM. All right, I guess I'm gonna try it out. Okay, you guys, the last item, and this one I had to look up on a different website because it wasn't showing on the Ipsy app. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration for Dry, Parched Skin. I've tried this before, a little sample size. I wanted to love it. It is too thick for my skin. Like, I have oily skin, but dry in the winter. And I was like, oh, okay, winter, it'll be great. My skin was not happy. I just started looking like a greasy ball. And as much as I love First Aid Beauty, I have tried some other great products from them. My skin does not like this one. I've tried. This I found on Ulta. It retails for $38. I have to be careful because, and I don't know, do you guys want to see that video? The comparison of prices in the States compared to Germany. I have been finding when I go and search online for certain products that I would normally get at home, they're more affordable here, even with the taxes here. Do we want that video? Let me know. Put it in the comments. If you want to see it, I will compare some of the things that I've picked up recently and give you the comparisons of where I would normally buy them in the States, like Target, Sephora, Ulta, you name it, we got it. Let me know. That's my little weird tangent. All right, let me go ahead and add up all these products so we can figure out how much this box cost this month. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and totaled up my Boxycharm for October. It totaled $291. What? I don't spend that much on my boxes, but it's crazy to see how much it costs for each product that is inside my Boxycharm or my glam bag. Icon boxes can be way higher, sometimes over $300. Do you get subscription boxes from Ipsy or Boxycharm? Let me know. I want to know if you received the same things, if you love your Boxycharms or are thinking about picking them up. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.